very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! We're all happy to see you again. Which way do you want to go? The rolling bridge is just there. Oh no! It looks like something is blocking the tracks. Can you move it out of the way? Drag it on the blue spot. Well done! Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Super! Ha! We're always happy to help. Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy. This is your toy. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. Help by dragging them back in. Great! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Which toy will you choose now? Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Which way do you want to go? Left, we're almost at the town square. Left leads to the town square. We're almost at the town square. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Where to now? Right leads to... Left leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Forward, we're near the pig farm. Let's go! Forward leads to the pig farm. Left leads, we're near the pig farm. Let's go! Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? Excellent! We all love your train set. Pick any toy you'd like. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Well done! Just slice or tap it to open. Where to now? Right leads to... Left leads to... Knapford Station is just ahead. Excellent! Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with good job. Super cool. Well done. We all love your train set. Which toy will you choose now? It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Right leads to. What type of wagon should we help pull? Super cool! Great! Which way do you forward leads to? Forward leads to. We're almost at the town square. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to. Left leads to the haunted castle. Left leads to the McColl farm is coming up.